For this champion unit, this is the panel with the wires, connectors and whatnot. This is how to route the cables to put them back in place. Originally they are attached through holes, but I don't do that when I put them back in place. This is the long thick cable. I just route it by the side like this, so it goes, the connector is there. All the cables basically I just route them by the side, and I try to clear that coil, so I pass the connector past that coil, just behind it, and close the panel like this. And it is very annoying, and may want to look from this angle. Remove the service panel and just look from this angle. Make sure no cable is crushed against those metal edges. So you have a metal frame right there. I did cover it with some tape because the edges are really sharp, but those metal rails have very sharp edges, so make sure. And these bumps here, plastic bumps, will crush the connectors against those edges if you don't put them back correctly, so that will cut the cables after a while with all the vibrations and whatnot. But that's why you want to pass those cables all to that side. Basically there's a small passage between this plastic here and the covers. That's where you pass them. And you may also want to detach some of these zip ties, because will make your life miserable. I also had to actually disconnect one of the yellow wires because it was overlapping that big connector. So I just basically disconnected from where it's a ground. I did remove it from there and unloop it from the big connector, so I can swing that big connector as you can see here.